Hello, welcome back to ASL Defined. I am Paul, and I would like to talk about the attachments within lessons and also the spreadsheet. How do you open those up? So I'm going to log into Teacher Defined, and once I'm logged in, if I go to like beginner or intermediate, whatever level you choose, click on Meet and Greet. Now, how do I open up like the teacher's lesson plan, curriculum standards, expressive skills, exercises? How do I do that? If I just click on it and I click on my download, it already has for me the PDF. Okay, but if it did not, it may come up with a box. You may have to choose that program or choose application, and then you would choose Adobe for this type of for these three items per lesson. Now let me go to my dashboard and my classes. If I go to Teacher Defined Class and I want to pull the spreadsheets for this class, if I click on the 30-day, there you go. It comes up with a dialog box. Not a dialog box, but a choose box. Okay, and I would say choose the application, which this case, it is, you got to open Excel spreadsheet. Okay, I go down to Microsoft and then I choose Excel and I would say open, and now all of a sudden it is opening with the score of Helen Keller. Now, the spreadsheet will only have the scores from the last 30 days when a student has done something the last 30 days. If they didn't do anything the last 30 days, then their name will not appear on the spreadsheet. Okay? So I'm hoping that this helps to navigate the items that you have to open within the lesson and also the spreadsheet. Let us know if you have any more questions. We sure appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.